Welcome to this application video about soil grinding. We have the request to do different tests with different types of soil samples. So we took out from the backyard 2 typical soil samples, let them dry overnight, and we have a rest moisture of 1.4% in sample A, and we have rest moisture of 1.26% in sample B. So we have 2 soil samples and we want to treat them by a planetary ball mill system for 2 tries. The first try is without the balls, just low RPM for a longer time, and then we want to grind it with balls for a short period of time with higher RPM. For the first test we will prepare a sample, in our case from the sample A, with approximately 250 ml sample, and we will do it without the balls. So we will fill the sample into our zirconium oxide bowl, 500 ml. We will prepare this bowl now in the planetary ball mill system, Pulverisette 5 Premium. Now we want to do the first test with a sample without balls by using 450 RPM, grind it for 1 minute without balls, as I said. Now we want to see the result of the sample A with a test of 450 RPM without balls for 1 minute. As we can see, the sample is very fine. So we want to test how much of the sample is above 2 millimeters. So I think this should be a lot of clay in the sample. Now we will prepare the second sample for the test with the balls with lower RPM. It is important to prepare first the balls inside the bowl and then the sample. Now we can place also this bowl inside a planetary ball mill Pulverisette 5 Premium. Now we want to grind the second test with the balls by 150 RPM for 1 minute. Now we want to see the result of sample 2 or test 2 with grinding with the balls for 150 RPM and 1 minute. So I think this sample is not so fine as the other, but we will see. I think we destroyed with the balls already also some stones, which might be included now into the sample. So my recommendation for analyzing this clay fraction from this sample would be working without balls and with high RPM. Thank you for your attention.